Look at the second question. It is again a valuation of futures question for a non-dividend paying stock when interest is compounded continuously. Listen, if the interest is compounded continuously, what is the formula for calculating futures price? If interest gets compounded continuously, what is the formula for futures price? F is equal to S0 into e power RT. You all remember this? E is nothing but the compounded interest formula. We have to use this e power RT when interest is continuously compounded. So look at second question. Consider a forward contract on a non-dividend paying share which is available at rupees 70. So the 70 rupees is nothing but the spot price of the stock to mature in 3 months time. So contract expiry period is 3 months. If risk-free rate of return is to be 8% per annum, compounded continuously, the contract should be priced at how many rupees? That is what we need to calculate. So question number 2. If interest is continuously compounded, F is equal to S0 into e power RT. Now what does this e power RT refer to? E power RT is what? E is constant. But what is e power RT? E power RT is nothing but your interest, which is continuously compounded. Right? What is the value of E? E is equal to 2.71. Actually, it is 2.71828. It keeps on going, but we rounded it to 2.7183. And I also told you how the value of E is came. That is, E is equal to limit of 1 plus 1 by n, the whole power n. You all remember this? You can, but that is not allowed in your exam. Only this is allowed. This is allowed. You can use it. Right? Now listen. When we take n is equal to infinity, so limit of 1 by infinity whole power infinity becomes the value of E. So value of E comes to 2.71828. It keeps on going. Here we are rounding it to 2.7183, which is a constant. Now F is equal to, what is the spot price given in the question? 70 rupees into value of E is 2.7183 whole power. What is the rate of return? R. R is 0.08 into, what is the contract period? It is in 3 months, right? Into 3 by 12. How much do we get? 71.41 rupees. So this is the theoretical or ideal future price. Clear? Any doubt in this? So when do we need to use this cost of carry model and when do we need to use this formula? It depends upon the information given in the question. If interest is continuously compounded, we have to use this formula. If interest is not continuously compounded, if it gets compounded annually, then we have to use this formula. Is it clear? Look at the third question. Again, it is a dividend paying stock, but in this question, dividend is given in terms of rupees. Consider a 4-month forward contract on 500 shares. Can you purchase, if you are entering into a forward contract, can you purchase 1 share or 2 share? No, you have to purchase in lot size, right? Consider a 4-month forward contract on 500 shares with each share priced at 75. So this is nothing but the spot price, S0. Dividend at 2.5 per share is expected to accrue to the share in a period of 3 months. Now, when this dividend is going to be paid? 3 months later, right? What is CCRI? It is nothing but continuously compounded rate of interest, right? Continuously compounded required rate of interest is 10% per annum. Now, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to calculate the forward price or future price. If dividend is given in terms of rupees, what is the formula for calculating the future price? Write it down. future price is equal to, future is a contract whose value is derived from the spot. So spot should be used as the basis for calculating the future price, or this is forward price. Future or forward price. Right? Now the company is going to pay dividend. If the company is paying dividend, and if you are entering into a future or a forward contract, you are going to receive the dividend or not going to receive the dividend? You are not going to receive the dividend. So that dividend will decrease the value of the share. Minus, we have to write something else, but wait, we have to subtract the dividend. And we have to multiply it with e power RT. But here, what is the spot price? 75. The spot price of 75 is today. This dividend of 2.5 is after 3 months. So the cash flow is in different points of time. Right? So what we have to do is, we have to discount this 2.5 to its present value. So it is not just dividend, it is present value of dividend. So if dividend is given in terms of rupees, the formula for calculating future or forward prices, spot minus present value of dividend into e power RT. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? First, we will calculate the present value of dividend. Present value of dividend. What is the dividend that is going to be paid after 3 months? 2.5. Divided by 1 plus, what is the required rate of return? 10%, 0.1 whole power. What is R? 3 by 12. So what is the present value of dividend? 2.44. 11. Everyone getting the same numbers? 2.4411. Is it clear so far? Any doubt? Now we have all the required numbers. Just apply the numbers in the formula. We will get the answer. The forward price is equal to spot price is 75 minus 2.4411 into value of E is how much? 2.7183. Power R is 0.1. And what is the time period? What is the time period we should take? 4 months. Why? Because, see, if it is dividend, we have to take 3 months in this case, because dividend is paid after 3 months. But here we are calculating forward price of the contract. After how many months the contract is going to expire? 4 months. So here T should be 4 by 12. So what is the forward price? Forward price is how much? We will adjust it some next one more. What is the forward price? Why? Because you are entering into a forward contract. If you are entering into a forward or a future contract, you are not going to get the dividend. No. For contracts, you will not get dividend. If you are purchasing the share, you will get dividend because that is an asset. But forward or future is just a contract. You are not going to get the dividend. So it needs to be subtracted. That will decrease the value of the future contract. No. Deduct the loss means when you will deduct it. No, in that case, I think answer should be the same in that case also. We will try this. 98.3. It is not 98. 75.0183 per share. But here we are entering into a forward contract on 500 shares. Because if you are entering into a forward or a future contract, you cannot purchase 1 share or 2 share. You have to purchase in lot size. So value of the contract or forward contract is equal to value of forward contract is equal to 75.1, sorry, 0183 should be multiplied with 500. So what is the total value? How much? 50? 37,000? 509.15. Everyone getting the same answer? Is it clear so far? Any doubt in this? Huh? 75 to the? No, here already dividend is adjusted. You can't adjust to it. Here it is, here you can't do that. If you want to do that, without adjusting it for dividend, try it in that way, you might get the same answer.